Hello viewers, today we are going to look at how to promote learners onto the EMIS web portal. So quickly, let's log into our EMIS account. So we type EMIS and we click on the login, the website link. We type EMIS and we click on the EMIS website link. Then we shall head to login. So you click login. You log in, you sign in with your login credentials. After logging in, we move to learners. You click promotion. Are you seeing promotion? Click promotion. So when you click promotion, it will bring you this promotion learners promotion page, where we have to select the class that we want to promote. So here we have pending promotions and completed promotion. We move down and we see select class, the class that we want to promote, then the gender. Then you can also promote specific learners using their names. So what we do, we shall select the class that we want to promote. So according to my system, I've already promoted Senior 1 and Senior 2. So I'm going to promote Senior 3 to Senior 4. So I'll click the class I want to promote. Then I select the gender. I can promote by gender. I'll start with males first, or I can just say apply and all the Senior 3 students will come here. So I'll first promote the males. I click apply. So the system will bring me all the students, males who are in Senior 3. So what I will do is to select these learners. I can single select by tapping on these options, or I can promote all the learners at once by clicking on this all selection option, this one here. So I'll just click on it and all the learners will be selected. So here I have 125 learners. They are the ones which are selected. Then I head over this side which says promote. I click promote. Then I will select the class. I'll select the promotion status, either promoted or repeated. So I'll click promoted. So reporting status, I'll click on reported, assuming all the learners have reported. So mine have all reported, so I will just click reported. So you click update. So when you click update, the message will come saying learner successfully promoted. So let me go back to Senior 3. I click males and I apply. I search. There are no more males who are still in Senior 3. They have all been promoted to Senior 4. So let me go to females. I click females. I say apply. So all my females have come back. So I have to just select all of them and I say promote. Come here, promote. Promotion status, promoted. Reporting status, they have all reported. I'll click update. So all the Senior 3s females that are in my system, I have promoted them. They are now in Senior 3 at the system. So I want to know whether I have promoted them. What you do, you go to dashboard, EMIS dashboard. Then you check on your status. You can see I have Form 4s now. They are here. The Senior 3s, they are in Form 4. So this is how you promote learners from Class 1 to Class 2 or Class 2 to Class 3. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.